Hello leaders, welcome to the Corona classes for Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I am Dr. Vijay Singh, ex-professor, technically skilled and chartered engineer. Today onwards, short lectures on basic electrical engineering will be delivered day to day. You will all learn about the basics of basic electrical engineering. Today, the lecture on terms and definition used in basic electrical engineering will be delivered. First, let us know what is electricity. The term electricity can be explained as below. When a body acquires the power of attracting light things, it is said to be electrified or charged. The agent which causes the charge in a body is called electricity. Electricity is the nature of force in all matters to a greater or lesser degree. It is invisible agent and can only be known by the effects which it produces, such as lighting of lamps, production of heat, and driving machines, etc. Any agent capable of doing work is said to have energy. So, electricity is a form of energy. It can be transformed to any form of energy. For example, it can be transformed into mechanical, heat, sound, light, and magnetic energy. Electricity is the flow of electric charge in a given time across a cross-sectional boundary. Now, we will know about what is charge. In circuit analysis, there are four basic manifestations. These are electric charge, electric current, electric potential, and magnetic flux. Electric charge, it is the physical property of matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. When a body acquires the property of attracting light things, it is said to be electrified or charged or ionized. There are two types of electric charge, positive and negative. Like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. The whole of matter is a combination of electron, proton, and neutron. The electron is a negatively charged particle and proton is a positively charged particle, whereas neutron has no any charge. When an atom has either deficit or excess of electrons, then it is called an ion and said to be ionized or charged. Under normal condition, the positive and the negative charges neutralize each other. If a neutral atom has excess of electrons, the atom becomes negatively ionized or negatively charged particle. Similarly, if an atom has deficit of electrons, the atoms become positively ionized or positively charged particle. Electric current. It is a phenomena of transferring charge from one point to another in an electric circuit. It may also be defined as the rate of flow of electric charge across a cross-sectional boundary. That is, I is equal to dq by dt coulomb per second, and that is equal to 1 ampere. In an electric circuit, this charge is often carried by electrons moving through a wire. An electron has a charge of 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Therefore, 1 coulomb is equal to 6.24 into 10 to the power 18 electron. So, an electric current in an element is the rate of flow of free electrons. Electricity can be classified as static or frictional electricity and current or electrodynamic electricity. The static or frictional electricity is obtained by rubbing certain substances such as amber and glass. When rubbed with silk or flannel, acquire the property of attracting small light objects such as bits of paper or cotton. In terms of electron theory, this is due to the transfer of electrons from the glass to the silk because of the friction created between them. The glass thus acquires a positive charge and the silk a negative charge. This transfer of electrons takes place in every case where two substances are rubbed together. The distinguished feature between silk and metal is that the silk retains the extra electron it receives, while the electrons readily escape from metal, being held in the hand to earth. In other words, the electron flows to earth. This is the basis of division of all substances into two kinds as far as their electrical properties are concerned. Static electricity is stationary and cannot be transferred from one point to another. The current electricity can be transferred from one point to another. Electric potential. The electric potential at any point in an electric field is the amount of work done by or against the electric forces in bringing a unit positive charge from an infinite distance up to that point. The potential is to indicate the electrical state of a body with respect to a standard reference. Potential difference between 2 points in an electric field is the amount of work done by or against the electric forces in moving a unit positive charge from one point to the other. In an electric circuit, the potential difference is the difference of electric pressure between the 2 points or the nodes or the junction. Magnetic flux. It is the lines of force obtained from the effect of magnetic field of a magnet while drawing its map with a compass needle. They have no physical existence and so they are referred to as imaginary lines. The magnetic flux is the measurement of magnetic field which passes through a given area. It is the medium to describe the effects of the magnetic force on an object occupying a given area. So, again it is repeated, magnetic field which passes through a given area, it is the medium to describe the effects of the magnetic force on an object occupying a given area. That's all in the first lecture. Thank you for watching.